Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be comparing 4 different shampoo bars and giving you the great shampoo bar comparison. So I bought these bars about a month ago and I was so excited to see which ones worked best in my hair. I wanted to see if they cleaned my hair well, if they made my hair more manageable or more moisturized, and which one was just the best. I hope this video helps you save time, money, and headaches on buying the wrong products. I hope this helps you bring your beauty from the inside out and affect your world as well. Sustainability right now is so important, and looking good is so important too. And of course I had to unbox them. So let's jump on back over there to see me unbox, and I'll meet you back here for the results. This Ethique sampler and this foamy a couple weeks ago, but they came in boxes with other things, so I couldn't help but open them. But there are a lot more in this box, so I got 2 Reef bars. One is shampoo, one is conditioner. And I got an Aspen K shampoo and conditioner bars. Lemongrass and sweet orange. The Reef bars are tangerine and coconut sampler, and this is hibiscus. That one smells like deodorant. So throughout this process, I had a couple rules because the only thing I wanted to change was the shampoo bars. One was to have a control. I only used Olaplex number 6 in my hair. Second was to only wash my hair once a week, which is what I normally do. And third was to, throughout the week, only use the conditioner bars. So normally, I would wash my hair on a Monday or Tuesday on my days off, and then I would rinse my hair throughout the week and only put conditioner in it. So that was the rule that I was going to stick to. So the 3 things I compared with each of these bars was the cleanability, the manageability, and the moisturizing effects of the conditioner. I will be giving the shampoo bar each a score out of 10. So each one will be given a score out of 30. So let's start with the first bar that I tried, which was Aspen K. So Aspen K was very good cleanability wise. I gave it 10 out of 10. There was not a thing left in my hair when I washed my hair with the Aspen K. I was extra clean. So much so that I probably didn't need to wash my hair as often as once a week. So because it was so extra clean, it didn't really moisturize or put back in what it did strip out. So for the moisturizing, I gave it a 1. Cleanability, 10. Moisturizing, 1. So if your hair is actually oily or greasy, you might love Aspen K. My hair is dry, I did not like it. But manageability wise, my hair, after I washed it and conditioned, was normal. It did feel a little bit drier, but it wasn't so much different that I was like, oh my gosh, I can't use this anymore. So manageability, I did give it a 6 out of 10. And so for its total score out of 30, got a 17 out of 30. So the second bar I tried was Reef Repair. Reef Repair was interesting. I was very in the middle about it. The cleanability, I did score it a 7 out of 10. It didn't not clean it, but it didn't really clean it very well. But with curly hair, sometimes it not cleaning very well is a good thing. So that's why I gave it a 7. So for the moisturizing, I gave it a 2. It didn't, the conditioner bars are really hard to get going, and this one was no different. The conditioner just never really penetrated my hair. For manageability, I gave it a 2 as well. It really didn't do much. So for the third one I tried was Ethique. For cleanability, I gave Ethique an 8 out of 10. It did clean very well, but not so much that I felt it stripped my hair of everything. For moisturizing, I gave it a 4. I did feel like the shampoo bar was actually a little bit softer, and I could actually get it lathering and in my hair. Would I travel with Ethique? Yeah, it was very good just for a week. And manageability, I gave it an 8. My hair completely acted as if I was using a normal shampoo and conditioner, which out of these 4 was very hard to find. So I was pretty overall happy with Ethique. And the last one was Foamy. Foamy was the straw that broke the camel's back. Cleanability for Foamy, I gave it a 10. My hair felt like gum. It did not give me any moisture because the conditioner foamed and sudsed more than the shampoo.
This is the conditioner.
In manageability, I'll insert some clips. I could not even brush my hair out. I couldn't. It felt so much like gum, I was afraid that my hair was gonna fall off, like break off. So, cleanability, 10. Moisturizing and manageability, 0. I was so afraid to even brush through my hair after I used it. Now for the reveal. Comment down below which one you think is number 1 and my favorite. Probably pretty obvious. And let's get to it. In last place with 10 points out of 30. Can you guess? Foamy. Foamy, like I said before, the conditioner foamed more than the shampoo and cleaned more than the shampoo. And for number 3, with 11 out of 30 points, was Reef Repair. Reef Repair was definitely status quo. Wasn't great, wasn't bad, but it wasn't great. And number 2 was Aspen K. It got 17 out of 30 points and was just okay. The scent of Aspen K is what did me in. I would like to try some of their other scents. Maybe it is just the lemongrass scent. I go in depth into that in another video, so I will leave it linked down below for you to watch. Aspen K probably would have been so much better if I got a different scent. And number 1 with 20 out of 30 points is Ethique. Ethique was the closest to a normal shampoo and conditioner out of all of them, and that's why they won. As a person with curly hair, where moisturizing is the number 1 priority for me, I cannot see myself using shampoo bars on the long term. I mean, it is what it is. I feel like there are other, from Aspen K and Ethique, there are other products I would like to try. Comment down below if you'd like to see that. But I just feel that they clean so well that I don't know if I could use them as an everyday product. For traveling or for vacation or for whatever you're you're doing, it would probably be great, but not long term. I know some people use them every day. I don't know how. My hair just doesn't like to be clean. It doesn't. My hair likes to be dirty. So, I have another video where I didn't wash my hair for 30 days, also linked down in the description. At the end of the day, I hope that this helped you. I hope that this showed you where you should spend your money and where you should spend your time researching. Not here. So, comment down below which one you might like to try. Like, comment, and subscribe down below for more. And I hope to see you soon. Stay safe and peace out.